So one of the things that we do to figure out where you're at as far as nutrition goes is a very scientific test called a 24-hour urinalysis. Before all other blood work was being tested and we had all these fancy things, urine was the first thing that we could use to analyze what was going on in someone's body thousands of years ago. So we hold these urine tests very valuable. You'll be collecting your urine for a 24-hour period. So the kit that you get is going to have a bottle like this, which should be enough to hold 24 hours worth of urine. That's, you collect all day, all night, and you get the first catch the next day. If you don't have a bottle like this and you want to start sooner than you get the kit, which can be done, you can just use a gallon jug. So you're going to, ladies, you're going to collect in a solo cup like this and pour each catch into the bottle. Now you're going to start your catch after your first urine on day 1. In other words, you're going to get up, you're going to flush your first urine, you're going to catch urine all day, all night, and you're going to get the first catch the next day. If you're using a bottle like this, then on the instruction sheet, you'll find a, by the way, these are new boxes and it's kind of hard to get in them sometimes. So you might have to use a pen. I thought I'd show you the good and the bad and the ugly, right? Okay, so in your urine kit, you'll find the instruction sheet, the instructions which I'm going to go over right now, and a scale on the side of the instruction sheet. So after you've collected your urine for that 24-hour period, you're going to hold the instruction sheet up next to the bottle with the bottom of the sheet on the table, and wherever the level of urine is, you're going to put an X there. In that case, it's right here. After you do that, you're going to gently shake the bottle, and by the way, you need to keep this cold. So as you're collecting it, you need to make room in your refrigerator for a bottle like this or a bottle like this. So after you shake it gently, you're going to pour your sample into your sample jar. Take the top off the lid. Pour your sample in there like this and put the lid on. Then I want you to leave it on its side for a little while because I want to be sure that it doesn't leak. Sometimes they do. So I've been through a few different kinds of samples. For every catch that you do, you need to use a clean solo cup. This is of course for ladies. So you would use it and ditch it. Each one goes in a clean cup. So also in here is a freezer pack. If you forget to freeze it on the day that you're mailing it, it doesn't take long. But it goes in a Ziploc section, like so. And the instruction sheet, which you're going to fill out your sex, your height, your weight, and your age, and the volume either marked this way, or if you're using a bottle like this, you'll see the volume is marked on the side of the jug, and you just need to find the level of urine and rate it here where it says volume. Then I'm going to fold this up and you're going to put it on the outside pocket. That's just in case the urine does leak. It doesn't destroy all the information about who it's from. You put it in the box, reassemble it. You're going to have a priority mail envelope and a label that's already filled out. You're going to put the box in there, put the label on top, hustle it down to the post office. Now, we're going to test 19 different things when we do this. We're going to check the color, the turbidity, the volume. We're going to look for blood. We're going to look for bile, bilirubin, protein, I don't know if I said that, nitrites, leukocytes. We're going to look for sediment, how much calcium phosphate, how much calcium oxide, how much uric acid is in there. We're going to check the pH, and that's really interesting because if you check your pH at any given point in any given day, it will change. So that's one of the reasons why we do a 24-hour catch, because it gives us a general pH for the entire 24-hour period. pH will change by what you eat and how you think, and pH very easily changes. So we do need the 24-hour catch for that reason. We're going to check for chlorides, specific gravity, vitamin C, non-protein nitrogen. Some of this might mean something to you right now, but by the time we're done, you're going to understand exactly what it means. Because when we get these results back, these 19 different tests, we're going to combine them differently. We're going to look at them separately, and it's going to tell us the condition of your small intestine, your large intestine, your liver, your spleen, your gallbladder, your stomach, your lungs, your parasympathetic nervous system, your sympathetic nervous system, pretty much everything I might have left out, added in. And that is going to very closely correlate to your symptoms that you've already told us about, which in turn, when you come for your appointment with me, it's also going to correlate to the pain that you have viscerally on your body or inside your body. When we do a palpation, if certain points hurt, like back here, it tells us that your sympathetic nerves aren't getting enough potassium. And we can not only find out that that's going on from what you say, but also scientifically with your urinalysis, and also you'll go away being able to test your progress. So in the morning you'll wake up and you'll say, okay, well, I've been taking that formula for a little while, and actually this feels better. It means that your potassium level is going up, that your sympathetic nerves are being fed. You might notice that you don't startle as easily, or that you're not getting headaches on the top of your head or the back of your head. So all of this is part of the Loomis system. It's part of what we do here at Next Level Healing. And I'm very excited about it because it is scientific. But we also listen very carefully to what you tell us. We don't poo-poo anything that you say. We don't say, oh, that can't be. So that when you have a protocol that includes the diet, that includes the enzymes that will help you digest your food, that includes the nutrition that you've been lacking for who knows how long, and support for your organs and your systems, it's personalized, and it's personalized to you. So do call us, order a urinalysis. We'll ship out the kit. If you have any questions about how to do it, you can play this again. Hopefully I haven't left anything out. Or you can just call us and get your answers. 973-586-0626.